Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a detailed video about the coastal Lagos to Calabar coastal road. This is from Lekki phase 1, and this video is going to end at Ikate. So this is how busy this place is, as you can see. So this is the vehicle. These are the vehicles, tipper. They carry sand, tons of sand. Some are granite, and also some are whatever equipment they are using for this construction. These are the tippers that do those weightlifting. So these are not child's play. Construction is really big, it's massive, and it's very interesting to also be part of this, to witness this development. Man, it's really good. This is another type of tipper. This one, I don't know why the tires are so big, but I think this one's carrying more weight. So this is 12 tires tipper carrying heavy duties. We're showing you guys the update and current situation of this road all the way from Lekki phase 1 to Ikate. For those who missed my previous video, you can go down and for those who missed my previous video about the coastal road from Victoria Island all the way to Lekki phase 1, if you know you missed that video, it's a very interesting one and it was very detailed. So I'll be sure you will enjoy it if you can go and watch that video. So back to this video now. This video will start from right here, Lekki phase 1, down to Ikate. I'll be showing you guys the construction progress of this coastal road. As you can see, this road has begun for over 4 months now, and the construction is quick, and also they are putting more effort to make sure they achieve this wonderful project. So guys, let's go inside the video. Let me show you guys around, and also things you might lovely or things you would likely like to see. Okay, this is the drainage. The drainage is very big. They have a very good drainage system. So this is the construction as it is going. It's very smooth and lovely. If you look where on this construction, you notice that the road here are narrow. They are not as wide as the ones at VI Lekki, and that's because of some reasons. In this part of the road, there has been construction of lots of houses, so the road has to be divided. As you can see, these are the houses. There are almost about 15 to 20 houses on this lane, and because of these buildings, the road has to be demarcated so that this part will be a single lane, and behind those buildings will be another lane, and they all will come together to meet again around that Ikate axis. I'll also show you around that place. So that's why this road here, it's a bit narrow, in case you are wondering why. But it doesn't change anything. It's still the same things that you get on the beginning, you're also gonna get at the ending. These are the vehicles supplying waters. Those ones were built for water supply around the construction site, anywhere water is needed. So they supply those are about 50 to 100 liters in size. They supply those water that are being used in construction sites. As you can see, there is a lot of like homeless people around here, because here used to be a road. Here used to be a ghetto where people live in small wooden houses. But all of a sudden, when this coastal road was announced, their houses has to be demolished, and that was why most of them are homeless at the moment, and that's why I see crowd all over this place. This is the lonely road, as you can see. It's narrow with lots of dirt by the side. All these dirt dustbins you're seeing by the side are because all these dustbins are dustbins that were brought up from the road during the grading. So that's where these dustbins then came from, and that's why they are mud. But they will still be removed as the road construction progresses to this extent. They will also remove them all and use them in filling some slums around the areas and corners of Lagos. If you're coming here, you just need a face mask, because without a face mask, you definitely go with a lot of dust in your nose trees, your face, your everywhere. So you just need a face mask while coming to this place. So guys, this is the end of the coastal road along Lekki to Ikate. This is the place. This is Ikate bus stop currently. You might be wondering why Ikate is like this. Actually, this is because the coastal road is not done on the main express. So these are behind the main city. And that's why it's like this. As you can see, a lot of vehicles are also coming from my back, those tipper. So I have to like excuse myself from the road. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends.